Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a Chinese crown knot. And this knot is often used in plant hangers. It's also used for a few other things, but since it's often used for plant hangers, I'm going to show you how you can start this knot on a ring. So this is completely optional. You can skip this step if you want, but if not, you'll need a ring. And you'll need 2 ropes. Our first rope, we're going to take it and it's going to go under the ring and then over. We're just going to pull it across. You're going to want both of the ends of your rope to be fairly even. And then we're going to take the other rope and it's going to go under the ring, over the string, and over the ring. And again, pull it through so that the ends are fairly even. And that's what it should look like. So your string goes under and over, and then under and over. And now comes the fun part of tying the knot. We're gonna take the string here on the right end and take it and cross it over this string. And then we're gonna take this string, cross it over both the strings on the left, just like that. Then the string that's on the left is gonna cross over both the strings that are up top. So it crosses over here and here. And then we're gonna come in with this string that was hanging up top. And we're gonna take it around and it goes over, over, and then under. I don't know if you can hear that, but my dog decided to eat all his food as I'm filming this. So if you hear a dog munching in the background, I apologize. But that's all we do. And now we're just gonna tighten our strings up. So just start kind of pulling on each string to tighten it. Just like that. And that's what it should look like once it's done. And now we can repeat the same process. So we're gonna lay it back so the ring is flat and spread our strings back out. So one goes in front, 2 go to the side, and 1 comes down below. And then we're just gonna repeat what we just learned. The string here on the right, we just take it and cross it over the string that's hanging straight down. Then we take this string hanging straight down and it crosses over both the strings that are now on the left. Then we take the original string that was hanging on the left and it crosses over the 2 strings that are now up above. And then we take this original string that was hanging straight up and it goes over here, here, and then we take it under this one. So it goes over, over, then under the one on the far bottom. And then we just tighten all our strings. And that is what it should look like so far. So again, it's just kind of a crossed over pattern where it's kind of weaving in a square, I guess you could say. And so now we'll do it again where we lay our ring back flat, make sure all our ropes are pointed in their directions. Okay, so once you have done a few rows, it should start to be forming this cool shape. And that is all you do. It's actually a fairly easy knot to learn. It might look a little complicated at first glance, but it really is doable by anyone. It's great for plant hangings and keychains and any other macrame projects you can think of. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.